The Chinese government has pledged to deepen financial support to Kenya to the tune of 60 billion shillings to go towards funding critical infrastructure projects in the country. Chinese ambassador to Kenya, Liu Jingfa, expressed confidence in the growing trade ties between Africa and China. The latest deal to be struck between the two countries is the construction of 20,000 housing units for civil servants. KTN's Abiyagina has the details.
China's growing dominance in executing big-ticket projects in African countries continues to grow by the day. With the African continent now seen as the biggest trading partner to China, Kenya is emerging as one of the top countries that is increasingly looking to trade with the Chinese.
Investing in Africa is to build an engine for Africa's development.
Speaking during the opening of the China Africa Development Fund Representative Office to be based in Nairobi, Infrastructure Cabinet Secretary James Macharia reiterated that Kenya was looking to expand trade ties with China.
This collaboration must be diversified, and we are happy that the approach by CADFund takes this angle of diversification, diversity in engagement. That's why they are bringing together the Kenyan companies.
Testament to this was the announcement that Kenya has signed a memorandum of understanding with the China Africa Development Fund to build 20,000 housing units for civil servants.
We need these partners to supplement and to complement our efforts.
The office will serve as a gateway for Chinese investments in Kenya and the neighboring countries in East African region.
The project, which will be delivered in phases across several counties, will be implemented by real estate developer Suraya Property Group.
The idea behind this whole MOU is to provide housing for civil servants, public servants, and social housing.
The move to award this project to a local contractor under the public-private partnership framework should alleviate sentiment by local contractors who claim they have been locked out of bidding for projects. According to Treasury, successful takeoff of PPPs portends to unlock billions of shillings in investments to both the public and the private sector players. Abiyagina, KTN Business.